There, it's clear. Look at how big it is. Goodbye, flight. I do not know. That's not my flight, so I don't know that flight number. But goodbye. I wish my jetway wasn't in the way. Ooh, look at that. There's a plane taking off. Ooh. My flight is still somewhere in the skies over Texas. Let's just hope my camera doesn't cut out early. Come on. Any airplane? Anything? No? No? Okay. I'm just gonna stand here. U-Haul. Probably for people moving. The U-Haul, I don't know. Tarmac. Let's see. Dang it. Yep, I did mess up. I messed it up big time. I swear, if I don't get any action in a few minutes, I'm just gonna have to turn it off until I start.